Hello everyone! Ever thought about what secrets your old phone charger holds? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a seemingly ordinary phone charger into something truly unexpected and useful. I'm carefully opening the charger's casing using a utility knife. The goal is to gently pry it open along the seams. With the casing open, I can now remove the original circuit board. This board has the necessary electronics to process the signal for our new function. I'll place it on a small wooden block for stability while I work. I'm now applying a small amount of solder to each of the exposed contacts on the circuit board. This prepares them for connecting our wires. I have these red and blue wires here. I'll strip a small amount of insulation from the ends to prepare them for soldering. I'm soldering the red wire to one of the output terminals on our small green circuit board. This will be a primary connection point for transmitting the signal. And now, I'll solder the blue wire to the other output terminal. These two wires will carry the processed antenna signal. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. My aim is to remove the USB port and other larger components using pliers. This clears the way to repurpose the board's main pins and part of its housing for our connections. Now, I'm carefully fitting our modified small green circuit board inside the empty charger casing. The red and blue wires are threaded through the opening where the USB port used to be. This keeps everything neatly tucked inside, utilizing the original charger body as a housing. I'll strip a small section of the insulation from these wires. These will serve as the output connections for our antenna device. I have a plug here. I'm using a screwdriver to disassemble the plug to get the pins out. I'm connecting the stripped wires from the original charger to the red and blue wires extending from our modified charger casing. It's important to make these connections very secure for reliable signal transmission, so I'm tightening the screws firmly. After connecting the wires, I'm carefully reassembling the plastic housing for the pins and snapping it back into place with the charger casing. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. To ensure everything stays firmly in place, I'm applying hot glue around the reassembled charger casing and the connections. This creates a robust and stable unit. Now for the actual antenna part. I'm taking a piece of bare copper wire and wrapping it tightly around a screwdriver. This precise winding creates a uniform spring-like shape, which will effectively capture electromagnetic waves. Once wrapped, I carefully slide the copper coil off the screwdriver. I'm now attaching the ends of the coiled copper wire directly to the metal prongs of the repurposed charger. This positions the coil to act as the antenna, feeding signals into the internal circuit board we prepared earlier. Next, I'm taking a standard electrical wall socket. I'm removing the cover to access the internal terminals, as these are where we'll make our connections. Here I have a coaxial cable, commonly used for TV signals. I'm carefully stripping the outer insulation from one end to expose the inner conductor and its shielding. Then, I'm attaching an F connector to this end. This type of connector ensures a reliable connection to our television. On the other end of the coaxial cable, I'm stripping back more of the insulation, separating the braided shield from the inner conductor. This prepares both parts of the cable for connection to the socket terminals. I'm connecting the inner conductor of the coaxial cable to one terminal of the electrical socket on the wooden block, and the braided shield to the other terminal. I'm tightening the screws securely, ensuring solid electrical contact to carry our antenna signal. This completes the base of our antenna system. Finally, I'm plugging the modified charger directly into the wooden block socket. This innovative connection routes the signal from the copper coil through the charger's internal electronics and then out through the coaxial cable via the socket terminals. I'm connecting the F connector of our homemade antenna directly to the antenna input of my television. And look at that! We have a clear signal. My DIY antenna, made from a repurposed phone charger and a simple copper coil, is picking up TV channels with surprising clarity. This just goes to show what you can achieve with a bit of ingenuity and some household items. The reception is fantastic, even better than I expected. No more fuzzy screens or missed shows. This compact, homemade antenna is a game changer. You can see here how well it picks up various channels, all thanks to a little creativity. It's truly amazing how you can transform everyday objects into something so useful. To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.